We are pleased to show you the 2020 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.